This video will introduce you to the top 10 foods that can boost your body's immunity to the highest level and how to make the most secret drink that boosts your immune system to the highest level to keep you protected, not only during these COVID times, but at any time. There are various ways to take the human body's immune system to a very high level by changing the food we eat daily. Therefore, you should mainly add prebiotics, probiotics, antioxidants, or polysaccharides to your diet. Eating the 10 foods now on offer will improve your resistance to illnesses and diseases. Welcome to Tutorial Master channel. Our channel will bring you various subject matters to fulfill your educational needs as a series of videos. Subscribe us to see more videos like this. Comment below your opinions. It matters to improve content quality. If you think this video is helpful, please share it with others. Number 1. Citrus fruits. There are many cases where you have been advised to take vitamin C first when you have a cold. There is an excellent reason for this, namely vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system. This is done by increasing the number of white blood cells your body produces. This is the primary weapon used to fight infections. Basically, almost all citrus fruits contain a lot of vitamin C. These vitamin C can be easily added to any of your meals because there are so many different ones to choose from. The most well-known citrus fruits are lime, orange, lemon, tangerine, clementine, and grapefruit. The most important thing is that the human body cannot produce vitamin C. To maintain good health, you need to eat a diet rich in vitamin C daily. The amount of vitamin C you need each day depends on your age. Average daily recommended amounts for different ages are listed here in milligrams. If you smoke, add 35 milligrams to the above values to calculate your total daily recommended amount. These data are published by the National Institute of Health. Number 2. Red bell peppers. The general opinion is that citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. But the most fantastic thing is that red bell peppers contain about 3 times more vitamin C than Florida oranges. It also includes a large amount of beta-carotene. Another benefit of vitamin C is that it improves the condition of your skin. Also, beta-carotene is converted by the body into vitamin A, which promotes healthy skin and eyes. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is full of vitamins and minerals. Broccoli is also rich in vitamin E, C, and A, as well as antioxidants and fiber. This is one of the healthiest vegetables you can ever have, and if you want to get it more nutritious, you have to eat it raw or lightly cooked. By steaming, broccoli can preserve a large number of its nutrients. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is commonly found in many recipes around the world. Garlic improves your health and well-being and adds zinc to your diet. The ability of garlic to fight infections has long been recognized by humans. Garlic helps to reduce high blood pressure and also reduces the hardening of the arteries. Garlic has a high concentration of allicin and other sulfur-containing compounds, making it highly immune. Number 5. Ginger. You may have heard of the use of ginger when people are sick because of the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger. While ginger helps fight nausea, it also helps reduce inflammatory illness and sore throat. When incorporated into sweet desserts, it packs heat in the shape of gingerol, which is related to capsaicin. Ginger has cholesterol-lowering properties, and ginger can help reduce chronic pain. Number 6. Spinach. Not only is spinach high in vitamin C, but it is also rich in beta-carotene and other antioxidants. Like broccoli, these two can boost your immune system's infection-fighting capabilities. To preserve, the nutrients in spinach should be cooked at a minimum. But, if it's cooked lightly, its vitamin A content can be more easily absorbed. And other nutrients can be more easily released from an antinutrient known as oxalic acid. Number 7. Yogurt. You should look for yogurt marked with a phrase that says, it contains active and vibrant cultures. Greek yogurt is one such type. It has long been believed that this culture stimulates the immune system to fight disease. Whenever possible, you should have plain yogurt instead of sugary and flavorful yogurt. To flavor plain yogurt, you can use little honey or healthy fruits, such as berries, as a natural flavor. Yogurt is an excellent source of vitamin D. Therefore, one should try to choose a brand that is guaranteed to be rich in those vitamins. Vitamin D regulates your immune system and enhances your natural defenses against disease. Subscribe us to see more videos like this. Comment below your opinions. It matters to improve content quality. If you think this video is helpful, please share it with others. Number 8. Almonds. When you need to prevent or fight a cold, you should choose vitamin C. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that can control a well-functioning and healthy immune system. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, so, for vitamin E to be absorbed appropriately, fat must be present. In addition to the fact that nuts, like almonds, contain healthy fats, they are also rich in these vitamins. An adult needs about 15 milligrams of vitamin E a day. You should get 46 shelled whole almonds, or approximately half a cup serving, to meet your daily requirement. Number 9. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are rich in nutrients such as magnesium, phosphorus, vitamins E and B6. Vitamin E plays a crucial role in maintaining and regulating the activity of your immune system. In addition, foods such as dark leafy greens and avocados are high in vitamin E. In addition to having high levels of these nutrients, sunflower seeds also have a high selenium content. 1 ounce of sunflower seeds can provide about 50% of the selenium needed by the average adult per day. Number 10. Turmeric. Turmeric is used in most curry recipes. Turmeric is a bitter, bright yellow spice that has historically been used as an anti-inflammatory agent to treat both arthritis and osteoarthritis. Turmeric with a high concentration of curcumin can be used to reduce muscle damage during exercise. Turmeric can protect you from illnesses and diseases by boosting the immune system. Now, let's look at making a top-secret drink that boosts immunity to the highest level. Put about 50 grams of dried coriander seeds in a bowl. Fry on low heat for 6 to 10 minutes. Remember to fry all the coriander seeds evenly until they turn light brown. Just fry the coriander seeds until light brown and never allow them to turn black. Stir frequently with a spoon to prevent the coriander seeds from burning. Then, add about 400 milliliters of water and add about 20 grams of finely chopped ginger. Now close the lid of the jar, increase the heat, and leave for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid from the jar. Now, cook on low heat until half of the water in the pot has evaporated. Here we hope to add the entire essence of coriander to the water by cooking lightly. Finally, after half of the water in the jar has evaporated, strain to the cup through a strainer. Add a teaspoon of sugar to this drink, mix well, and drink when it is slightly warm. It would be best to drink this drink when you have a fever, cold, or feel like you are about to catch it. 200 milliliters should be taken 3 times a day, in other words, in the morning, after lunch and at night. That is, I can tell you from experience that you can get exceptional results by drinking 600 milliliters a day. I kindly ask you to leave a comment below mentioning the fantastic results you got from drinking this drink. Subscribe us to see more videos like this. If you think this video is helpful, please share it with others.